Welcome to our video about curious facts about ants. These insects are much more interesting than you can imagine. Let's discover together some facts about them. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to follow more content like this. Let's go to the video. Some species of ants are capable of carrying objects that weigh up to 50 times their own weight. Ants are able to perform these impressive physical tasks due to their well-developed musculature and their ability to work in teams. They also have a unique physical structure, with a body divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen, which gives them great mobility and flexibility. In addition, ants have strong and sharp mandibles that can be used to cut leaves, transport objects, and defend the colony against predators. Ants are so strong that they are often used as models in engineering projects. For example, scientists have studied the way ants build their structures to create algorithms that can be used to design better logistics and transportation systems. The strength and physical ability of ants are one of the many reasons why they are considered one of the most successful and adaptable insect species in the world. Ants are super organized. Ants are extremely organized insects with a highly developed social system. They live in colonies led by a queen, and each ant has a specific task to perform. Some ants collect food, others care for eggs, and still others defend the colony from invaders. Each ant colony is led by a queen, whose sole role is to lay eggs. Other ants in the colony have specific functions, including caring for eggs, feeding larvae, collecting food, protecting the colony, and even caring for the wounded and dead. Ants communicate with each other through a variety of chemical and physical signals. For example, they can leave trails of pheromones to indicate the path to food or to signal the presence of a predator. They can also communicate through physical touch and even ground vibration. In addition, ants are capable of performing complex tasks together. For example, some species of ants are able to build incredible structures, such as underground nests and living bridges, where ants cling to each other to form a bridge that allows other ants to cross obstacles. Ants are so organized that they are often studied by scientists as an example of how cooperation and coordination can lead to a successful and highly organized society. Their ability to work together efficiently is one of the many reasons why ants are considered one of the most successful and adaptable insect species in the world. Before we continue with the video, we are trying to reach the goal of 1,000 subscribers on our channel. So, if you are not yet a subscriber, click now on the subscribe button and be part of this achievement. And let's go to the video. Some species of ants have such strong jaws that they can be used to cut leaves, but also to attack enemies. Ants have a variety of strategies for defending and protecting their colonies. Some species have glands that produce toxic chemicals that are used to repel predators and enemies. Other ants have sharp and strong jaws that can be used to bite and fight against enemies. In addition, ants can work together to protect their colony. They are able to form a kind of bridge with their own bodies to overcome obstacles and reach the enemy. Some species are also able to bite and hold on to the enemy, while other ants sting and inject venom. Warrior ants are often specialized in combat and have larger and stronger jaws than other ants in the colony. They may even be specifically bred for combat by the queen, who will produce more warrior ants if the colony is threatened. Ants are able to defend themselves against predators much larger than themselves, including other insects, spiders, birds, and even mammals. Their ability to work together and defend themselves aggressively is one of the many reasons why ants are considered one of the most successful and adaptable species of insects in the world. Ants are great farmers. Yes, ants are great farmers. In some species of ants, they cultivate fungi in their colonies and use these fungi as a food source. This type of relationship between ants and fungi is called symbiosis, where the two species benefit each other. The fungus cultivated by the ants is a type of yeast that grows on a substrate of leaves and other plant materials that the ants themselves collect. Ants create special chambers in their colonies for the cultivation of these fungi, maintaining a warm and humid environment that is ideal for the growth of fungi. Ants also take care of their crops, removing dead fungi and preventing harmful bacteria and other organisms from growing in their colonies. In return, the fungi produce nutrients that feed the ants. This type of agriculture practiced by ants is very ancient and may have evolved about 50 million years ago. It is a surprising adaptation that allows ants to survive in challenging environments, such as tropical forests, where food availability is limited. Ants are everywhere. Last but not least, ants are everywhere. There are about 12,000 species of ants in the world, and they inhabit virtually every corner of the planet. From the desert to the rainforest, ants are there, working hard to keep their colonies in order. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed these curiosities about ants. They are truly amazing insects and very important for the balance of our ecosystem. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to follow more content like this. See you next time.